Hey, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this affiliate network called Mylead, and maybe you're wondering, is this platform legit? Is this a good way for you to make money online, or are there better ways to make money online out there? Okay, now at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. All right. Now on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out Mylead to find out whether this is a good way for you to start making money on the internet. All right, now Mylead is basically a very big affiliate marketing network. Okay, so if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, all they do is they're a network where they work with basically thousands of different companies all around the world, and they allow you to promote these companies using a link. And when someone buys from your link, these companies will pay you a commission. So Mylead is kind of like an aggregator. They build relationships with these companies, and then they attract people like you and me, marketers, normal everyday people, to their platform. They give you access to these products, and then you just get your link, and then you promote it on your different websites or social media or different forums, and you can generate income that way. Okay, now let's check out Mylead to see where they kind of focus on and how this really works, just in case you might be interested in working with them and promoting their links and generating some profit. Okay, so there's some instructions here. This little slider thing doesn't work very well, though. It just kind of it keeps going back and forth, which is a bit weird. Okay, but that doesn't matter. Let me show you exactly who they work with so that you can understand the opportunity here. Right now, the nice thing I like about Mylead is that they do offer a lot of affiliate programs. Right, over 5,000 offers you can get access to, which is a lot, because there's some affiliate networks that are a lot smaller than Mylead. A lot of them only offer a few hundred, sometimes 1,000. These guys offer 5,000 plus affiliate offers in all sorts of different verticals, and I'll show you that in a second. Right, and they allow you to sell products in a few different ways. Okay, I'll cover the main ones. CPL, this means that it's cost per lead. Okay, that means some offers only want you to generate a lead for them. They don't require you to generate a sale or anything like that. They just want you to generate leads. So sometimes they might say, okay, if you generate a lead for us, we're gonna pay you $5. If you generate a lead for us, we might pay you $10. So it just depends on the offer, and we'll run through a few in a second. Okay, CPA is cost per acquisition. That means that they want you to get the customer to take a specific action. Now, the specific action could be downloading an offer and getting to level 30 in the game, for example, or it could be downloading the gym offer and putting down their credit card. That could constitute as an action. So whatever the action is, every single offer is slightly different. You have to read the details, and they will pay you accordingly. Sometimes it could be $50 for an action. Sometimes it could be $10. Sometimes it could be $500. It just depends on what the offer action is required. Okay, so that's CPA. CPS is called cost per sale, and this is the most basic one. They will pay you every time a customer makes a purchase. That's it. It's a percentage of the purchase. So let's just say the product costs $100. They might say, we're going to pay you 30% commission, so you get $30 for that particular offer. Again, you have to check what the offer is offering. And this is pay per install, right? So these are for apps a lot of the time, right? Pay per install is a remuneration received after downloading the application by the customer. Okay, it can be a mobile or a computer application, various types of software, for example, mobile games or optimization software. All right, and those are the main ones, I would say. Let's cover the different areas that they actually have. Okay, so these are the main areas that they cover, right? A lot of different categories, adult affiliate programs, apps, Apple, beauty, Bitcoin, books, car, casino, clothing, coupon codes, credit, dating, e-commerce, education, fashion, fitness, food, forex, gaming, health, home and garden, insurance, jewelry, loans, luxury. So a lot of different areas, right? Parenting, pet, pharmacy, SEO, software, top paying, travel, weight loss. Okay, now I'm gonna jump inside so that you can kind of see what it looks like. And I like Mylead because they really categorize everything nicely. So first of all, you can pick, do you want to drive or make money through cost per lead, cost per sale, cost per action, and it kind of gives you a breakdown here as well. Pay per install, COD, rev share. Okay, a lot of people like cost per sale. This is a very popular one, so I'm just going to click on cost per sale right there, and then you can see they're gonna manage everything, and there's like 1,832 offers right here. And just as on the top line, just to have a look at some of the programs, right? Now, of course, they've got a lot of different categories, and we'll cover that just in a second. But just, what they've kind of organized right here, you can see that there's some, services and online software programs, right? Norton LifeLock is security for IT. Kaspersky is an antivirus, okay? And so, for example, if you were to sell Kaspersky, it's a cost per sale. It's straight cost per sale. They'll pay you 15% of the sale price. So if somebody buys from your link, and it's $100, they will pay you $15 for it, right? Let's click this arrow and have a look at it. You can see here, promote the affiliate program. Commission is for sales. It's a world leader in cybersecurity, right? It doesn't tell you the price of it right here. Okay, you have to dig inside to kind of see how much the offer actually is. And this one is for the UAE. Okay, so they've got a lot of different ones. They've got what's this? This is ZA, I think is Africa, right? If I'm not mistaken, South Africa, correct. Okay, then they've got the UK, they've got France, they've got Denmark, they've got China, they've got Italy, right? So a lot of different ones here. So you can see that these are all the antivirus softwares pretty much. Okay, so they can just kind of listing it here. But just to give you an idea, for the cost per sale, right, you can also break them down into categories, right? So they've got dating, like I mentioned earlier, they got health and beauty, house and garden, accessories and additions, fashion, appliances and electronic services, right? So they've got both physical and digital products, which is nice. So let's take a look at some of their physical stuff, their digital stuff, all right? So services, online, computer networks, energy. So they've got a lot of different interesting stuff right here. So these actually are in services itself, okay? And let's just go to page number 4 to see if we can get outside of antivirus, just to see an example. It's just taking a little while to load. There you go. And they've got different, you got hosting services as well. So for example, Hostinger, right? 45 cost per sale. That is really decent. Okay, 45% cost per sale, right? We are a web hosting provider. Blah 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 blah. This is I think this covers a lot of different countries. So this particular offer, very international. You can see here that it's pretty much global. All right, and they pay 45% of the hosting package, right? But hosting, you have to check it out. You have to dig into this, log in obviously, and you get the details here, right? But hosting doesn't pay that much. A lot of the time, it's only $10. You can see here $2 per month is pretty little, honestly, but still pretty cool. Okay, and these are the forbidden ways that you can promote. They don't like some of these ways, right? So it just depends on how you can promote it, all right? Now, the big question is who is this for? Can you really make money with Mylead? Okay, now Mylead is a 100% legitimate affiliate network. All they're doing is they're giving you access to thousands of different affiliate programs out there, all right? So this is really good for people that are already pretty experienced, I would say. Somebody that already has a website, maybe you have a blog in the tech sector, in the dating sector, in the education sector. It's very easy to come in and plug one of these affiliate programs into your articles, or maybe you've got a big following on social media like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. You can just recommend, home and garden products, health products, gaming products to your followers. It's very, very easy. You can make commissions like that. But if you're a beginner, this might not necessarily be for you because Mylead doesn't teach you how to do affiliate marketing properly. They're a network. They're not an affiliate marketing education training program. Does that make sense, right? So I think this is good for very experienced people. If you're an absolute beginner, don't worry, stick around. I'll show you how you can still make money from affiliate marketing if that's what you're interested in, okay? But I would say that Mylead, pretty good for experienced people. Lots of different verticals you can check out here. Lots of different ways to get paid out. They pay out regularly through Mylead itself, okay? So you don't have to worry about that. E-wallets, even cryptocurrency as an option. So if you want to check it out, mylead.global /EN. All right, you can check it out. Now, if you're here right now watching this and you're an absolute beginner, maybe you've never made money online, you're interested in doing that. On this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of strategies, but out of all of them, there's one strategy which I think that an absolute beginner that's never made money online has the best chance of going from zero to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month. If you would like that to check out that strategy, click the link below and I will share with you a masterclass that's going to show you how to do this step by step. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Mylead, and I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.